where's the heck is the stupid smart plates?
That's the goal today, is to find the smart plates. We have a factory for them somewhere.
Yeah, I have a feeling that we dismantled that factory, but might as well take a quick look around and see what else we're making over here.
Yeah, well, you're doing that. I'm gonna wait for you back at the base.
Like iron and what's this making? Looks like empty and modular frames. Okay, so this is our modular frames factory. So which part of the base are you at?
I'm at the new base. Base 2.0.
The sorting facility, or
the sorting facility.
Okay, so I gotta catch a train, or I gotta ride my way back.
Oh, but aren't you still trying to find the smart plates, or are you just writing it off as they're probably gone?
I'll just I'll give up on it for now.
Oh man, you can go look for them.
Was there something that you wanted to show me or something?
Yeah, I found something else when I was playing and didn't record. Well, I did record it, but we had technical
issues,
difficulties, and I found another base that has some railroad tracks connected to it that we never finished.
Okay.
So
yeah, there's a lot of unfinished railroads. So where are you exactly?
Oh, come over here. I'm at the Bluetooth printer. God damn it! What the hell is this thing called? Blueprint machine. I'm working on a factory blueprint.
On which? Okay, so you're on the blueprint machine level.
Yeah, actually, Errol, look, I'll come over to you. I found you, so follow me. Hello. Okay. And over here in the back, there's these abandoned train tracks. I was just like looking at these. I'm like, oh yeah, huh. I saw the waterfall and started going towards it.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. Okay, now you remember. Yeah.
I started building them and bring stuff over here, but we never finished.
Yeah, my job was to bring the train over, but then I figured out that it was really hard to get this damn train to go down very steep. It's way too steep. Otherwise, it would cut into the base. So I'd have to redo the trains, but I'm thinking drones are the way to go. So let's go out there. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall off the cliff. Yeah, you can. You should be able to come out this way.
Yeah.
And then you can see.
I don't remember what I was building this to.
That's
I know
the
there's
surprise.
Some resource. Some resource we needed. And I was trying to make it line up with the old base, which nothing lines up because we didn't build things with line up in mind. Oh, there's one of your green trucks.
Yeah, that's right. Well, everything should line up to the new storage facility. Everything else is out of line. Yeah, there's a green truck here.
Did you finish going along these train tracks here?
Yeah, I did. Let's go climb up to the train tracks and follow it to the surprise.
Okay. Train.
Yeah, this is this blueprint.
I think what I want to do is if I go into transport, I think we used to do this, an electric locomotive. Let's build one.
Oh yeah, you're gonna find out. You're gonna find out real fast.
No power.
Does that one have no power?
Why is there no power?
Put it on the other track. Is there power on this track? It's probably not hooked up to anything.
If one's not powered, the other one. Oh, that one's not hooked up. Yeah.
So put it on this one, see if this works. If that works,
up.
I'm jumping on the train. So I don't want to walk over there. Oh yeah, train time. It's like Minecraft.
Okay, no power.
No power. Alright,
well.
guess we're walking.
Well, yeah, my guess would be that it was the start of a steel factory.
Your guess is probably correct.
Because we just got blueprints, and we needed steel beams. So yeah, this is where I started producing actual steel stuff, and we were gonna start bringing them over with the train. That's right.
Yep.
Okay.
This is the candy bar factory. That's what the train station's called.
Candy bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, we because the steel beams look like candy bars.
Yeah, like the encased beams. This thing
encased.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is only our encased beams. This is dedicated to only doing that.
Yeah.
And so Well,
Right, but you never finished bringing the train over to the sorting facility because that's what you were supposed to do. So
I don't know why we didn't think of doing drones. Because we did drones in the other base, but we didn't do drones with this one. But I think drones are
we
the
might
right
not
thing.
have them. We might not have them unlocked. Is one of the problems.
Well, we'll have to figure that out. We could drone
But
it over.
Yes, this is. Yeah, I was utilizing the coal and the iron and everything down here, and I had to build the basic factory because I needed plates and other stuff because I was tired of going back to the base for stuff I needed.
Yeah.
Yes, I did forget about this.
Yeah. And you have water down here. What was the water for? Oh, for the coal power plant?
Because I needed coal power.
Is this thing self-sustaining?
Because we didn't. Yes.
Wow.
It's self-sustaining. Yeah, I was tired of you stealing all the power for your launchers and not having reliable power, and so I came over here to build out candy bar factory because we were going to make individual areas be individual factories for specific items. So this one wound up being the candy bar.
Yeah, I think we should continue doing that.
It's got steel pipes and it has steel beams. So you were complaining about beams and pipes, not having enough of those. But
Well,
we've got both of those.
I feel like we have
Plus
enough
the candy
of those.
bars.
But the candy bars are the things that we definitely need like a lot of.
Yes.
And we shouldn't pipe anything outside of here besides candy bars.
Yeah.
In case
Well, we probably should do this via drone instead of train. So, unless you really want to finish the train.
No. We ran into problems. Like the train station is underneath the sorting facility, and then this has to go up and over, and it's too steep. It takes up so much space just to like get it up high. And so, if I can find a cave that goes through, I could probably just run a train through a cave. You know.
Probably going to regret this. Oh, I'm missing cable, so I can't do it.
Oh, I'll get you some of that.
I just need wire, not cable.
Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna give you some wire.
That's cable.
Oh my god. Oh, have a quick wire.
I need wire. I don't need quick wire. I've got quick wire.
Oh, I do.
Need copper wire.
I do not have that. Well. And
okay. Well, I think I have copper production here. Don't know for sure though. Let's see. I've got cement manufacturing. Well, I can do a quick check.
it's a nice place for a base.
Let's see.
Like waterfalls all around.
Copper ore. Yeah. Okay, yes,
Oh.
I am utilizing copper over here. So what am I using it for? It just goes... Oh, great.
What does it do?
It mines copper but doesn't go anywhere, so I never got around to making the copper factory.
Well, you can manually.
Which means...
Yeah,
which means I'll just take this ore and I'll come over to the crafting station and do some old school early game crafting. Make some copper ingots. So how are you?
I'm well.
Okay.
I'm gonna watch you craft some stuff.
But as we've seen in the last episode, nothing is completely thought out or completed. Everything's in a different phase of completion. So some things were planned, but were not completed. Others were not planned and not completed. So, yeah. Should have checked my inventory before coming over here, though, to make sure that I at least had the bare essentials that I usually bring with me. But alas, I did not. So that's on me. My bad.
Yeah, sometimes
So I'll
it
just craft. Yeah, so I'll just craft me up some wire here in a second.
happens. Yeah, no big deal.
What I was going to do is I was going to connect a power pole to the train station so that we can use the train to get back. Is what I was going to do.
Yeah.
And I don't know if I'm going to regret it or not because of the incompatibilities with power systems, because I know I isolated this system, so
Well, I don't want to hook it up. I knew that, like, coming down that one little section was too steep, and, you know, to get trains hooked up, you know, so I don't think I'm going to mess with that. Unless I just, like, go all noodly with the trains.
We got the train to where we could bring it to the sorting facility, but yeah, it would take a steep ramp to bring it down to the level, and you didn't want to do it that way, so okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, we should work towards drones. I don't remember which phase we have to unlock drones, but drones is how we should be shipping this stuff. So
yeah, how do you unlock stuff?
We don't until we get 500 of the motors and 100 of the advanced machinery.
Oh,
so
got it. So we have to do that.
We're locked out of upgrades until we get done with phase 3. So
go ahead, just go ahead and make.
Really,
Whoa.
you jerk!
Whoops! What happened there? How'd those get there?
I don't know, but is mine still configured?
Oh, the ones that were on my back? No,
they're not.
They blew up when I first logged in that first episode. It just blew up and launched me. So every time I launched, I'm just like in a Groundhog Day of getting launched. Well, now we know we have candy bars. We can just belt them over too. You know.
Yeah, if you want to run a belt over, you're more than welcome to.
I don't feel like it right now, though.
Let me see. Yeah.
Until we need them. We need plastic right now.
Yeah, so I'm only producing like 200 megawatts for this facility, so yeah, might as well connect it up to the train and at least get the train going.
Yes, I'm gonna look at.
So then that way we can get back to the sorting facility, and I can get back to my project that I started on.
Smart
that
plates?
You squirreled me from.
Smart plates.
Yes, smart plates.
Which are part of the modular engines. They require 2 smart plates to produce.
Yeah, I need to be able
rubber.
to at least make 2 per minute to make. I'm gonna need to make more, but need at least 2 per minute. Oh great! Now I'm out of motors.
Oh,
how come because you picked up the train, right?
No, I didn't actually.
Is that why?
Here, you want some motors?
I had 10 motors at one point, and I only have 5.
There,
So
have
yes,
a whole bunch.
motors. Okay, that'll work. So now I can. If you're playing stuff on the jukebox.
Am I? Is that me?
No, I am. There we go. I was wondering who was playing the boombox. That was me. It's fine though. Their stuff's not copyright, but
I want to customize my helmet.
just okay. Train.
Yeah,
And
it has a head
yes,
slot.
there's
Do you know
power.
what do you put in your head slot?
Helmet slot. Gas mask.
Oh,
which
yeah,
we
that's
haven't
right.
gotten to yet.
That's right. Oh, my goodness. Did you just blow the grid? So that's why this isn't hooked up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why it wasn't hooked up.
Oh, but it's still going.
It's hilarious.
Or is it slowing down to a complete
Nope,
stop?
it's done.
Well,
It's done.
you better just leave that behind. We're just going to have to run back the usual way.
Yeah.
You better
Okay.
disconnect it, though.
That's why it wasn't hooked up. It's
But-
because, yeah.
You probably want to turn the candy bar
Not
factory
enough
back
juice.
on. Maybe...
Yeah, I can do that. There.
now we need...
Disconnected the cable.
Oh,
but,
that's what I was
that's
gonna
right.
do.
I have to
It's going to help you.
come down and reboot it.
Okay,
to
he's
reboot this.
rebooting stuff. While he's doing that,
Donk.
I'm going to go look up
There.
what it takes
Rebooted.
to make smart plates. Oh,
What it takes to make smart
It's not too
plates
bad.
is reinforced and reinforced and screws.
yeah,
if
you're
I'm
right.
right.
Well, screws are part of that. The rotor takes screws and
Well, we're
rods.
making reinforced plates already.
Oh, and the
so
plates. Yeah.
it's
So you need plates, screws,
so
and rods and more screws. Yeah. Oh, we have the
screws,
alternate
rods,
recipe
more
too.
Screws, yeah.
Yeah, if you don't want rods, we have
Ooh.
copper sheets and screws to make rotors. Oh, we also have the alternative copper spools and plates, so we can avoid
Yeah,
using
we have a
screws.
few because we were looking up crash sites for extra recipes. Smart plating. Yeah, so we just need rotors and reinforced is the good recipe. Otherwise, it's motors, rubbers, and that's for the modular engine. So yeah, we just need reinforced and rotors, which we have those. I just need to pipe them together.
Oh, should we
Because
just...
I think we're using them for the frames, or we were for the advanced frames.
Should we build those over here? In the, by the sorting facility?
No, it's gonna have to be back at starting facility.
Okay. And by the way, have you fixed the train from the starting facility? No. Got it.
Oh, the one. Yes, I did fix the ones from that are just mindlessly bringing stuff over.
That
to the
comes back
system.
and forth from the starting facility to the sorting facility.
So
that's fixed. That's cool. Ooh, berries.
Why did you want to know?
Are you still there?
I'm guessing something crashed, or I went robotic, or you went robotic.
Yeah, it says G Police has left the game. Damn this game. Why have you left me?
Why? Your connection to the host has been lost.
Why?
Check.
Why you gotta do
just
that?
Keep going. But
why you gotta be like that?
See.
He's disconnected, baby. Bye, bye, bye.
I'm gonna turn up my network quality because that changed on me again.
What is that setting? Is that part of this game?
Gameplay network quality.
I probably should do that too.
Sometimes well, maybe. Sometimes it helps and sometimes it doesn't. So now I need to rejoin my friend.
Yes, that's right. Game.
So, is there like a port blocked or something? Let's take a look at the log.
Oh, you want to turn the autosave up to like something higher? Like it's on 5 minutes.
Well, it shouldn't have been autosave.
Well, now that I'm here, you know, shouldn't I make that like a little bit longer so it's not always constantly freezing on us?
That's up to you of how often you want to save our progress.
Network quality.
Every
medium.
10 minutes or so is fine or whatever, but...
There we go. I'm changing my network quality to ultra.
Okay. Let me see if it'll let me join you now.
Oh, the frame rate.
What? Join.
I better change that to high.
Is yours actually going?
Yeah.
Because it's not letting me join you anymore.
Really? Wait, what does it say? Apply for
if I shift tab and I pick you from the list and I click join game, it does nothing anymore.
Okay. Let me save the game.
So I think it's something on your end, like you have a blocked port or something. Possibly. But yeah, if you relaunch it after you save it, let me know when you've done that, and I'll try joining it again.
Yeah, this is fun.
So they fixed the single player bug just to have a multiplayer bug that's derailing us, but yeah, that's okay.
It's totally their fault.
Well, we'll play through if it allows us. So, but this is the second time so far this has happened.
What is this place? What is this thing
called? And I restarted my computer thinking that would fix it. So apparently it's not on my end. So
yeah, it's definitely not my crappy computer.
It might be. Your potato might be killing us.
My potato.
Did you get
Intel
it back
potato
launched again?
Yeah, it's I had to restart the game.
I've got an Intel potato as well.
Oh yeah. Can't wait till they come out with a better processor.
One that doesn't rust, even though it's faster.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Intel has problems.
Yeah, I have dabbling in AMD. Oh, processing Vulkan shaders.
Yeah, AMD's all right.
Yeah,
Oh, you're vulcanizing all the things. We'll just
skipping that.
We'll just admire the loading screen, and I'll decide if I'm going to cut this out or not in the video later. But.
Yeah, I guess you'll have a chance to do that. And then when we we'll have to synchronize. Wait, we're still recording, right? We're still. So we don't have to synchronize anymore.
I'm still recording.
I am
unless, too. Unless you stop.
Well, then we have to resynchronize.
No. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, well, we can synchronize and we can chop whatever we want to out of our videos. And
yeah, it's easy.
So
I went and did that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Editing wasn't too bad. Starting to learn a little bit more about editing again.
Well, it depends on what kind of editing you do. I mean, if you're going to do if cuts and fade-ins and zooms and all this other stuff, it can get complicated. But if you're just going to join a couple videos together, it's a lot easier.
I had like your video on top, and then I would cut from one view to the other view back and forth. And next time I'll do that with keyframes and visibility, but I just cut it manually for when you were talking and showing something. I would cut to you.
So you went back and forth. I just did picture in picture. It was easier.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I also did picture in picture when like it was looking at what I was looking at. That's kind of what I did. I guess maybe I won't do that next time, because that took for like a long time, like an hour.
Oh, I bet for an hour of content, you have to go in and
I had to kind of like watch it all over again.
Swap between videos. Yeah, you cut your video, cut my video, back forth.
We'll see. I might not do it that way again.
Well, it depends on the quality of video that you want to create for these fine people. So. And it depends on your editing style, but yeah, I just did the picture in picture, and I didn't do anything fancy. I just got the audio and things synced up. So,
well, come join the game.
So I'm back in. I'm in. I'm back. Okay, so I'm in. After the crash. I'm still working on going back to the main base. You had asked me about the trains, if I got those fixed.
Oh yeah.
And yes, I got the trains fixed.
Thank you for doing
so
that.
It's still doing the bad sorting as always, but the trains are going back and forth.
Well, that's good news.
Yeah.
At least we still have our mess of a problem coming to us.
Yeah, there's a big mess over here. Okay, so it's going to be rotors and advanced plates, right? Reinforced plates that I need to do for creating smart. But then I'm gonna have to put them on the sushi tree and send them across.
Yep.
Or are we just gonna keep them here and join them with the motors for the? Well, we have to join motors, plastic. Well, there's a few things that we gotta do. I'm talking in circles because I don't know where to begin with fixing this mess.
Yeah,
but
I know.
How do you eat an elephant, as they say?
Yeah, exactly. How do you eat an elephant?
Yeah, one bite at a time, and we made the doozy of an elephant here.
I bet you we did.
No, we. It's not just me that's to blame for this. It's a we problem.
Yeah, you definitely made a doozy.
So, don't even start.
Wow, you little. I need to walk
so we need smart plating, rubber, and motors. So we need the motors, and the motors take rotors and stators, and we need rotors for the smart. Yeah, here we go. We need this to make this, to make this, to make this, and we need both of them for. Okay. So we're making rotors, but they're starved for screws. So we are not producing enough screws to keep up with the 3 machines that are producing rotors. Yeah. Okay, so we need 300 screws per minute to maintain the 12 rotors per minute quota that we're trying to make. So then that means I backtrack. Well, we've got the reinforced plates just sitting in a crate. And they're stopped because they probably can't get on the train or whatever. So that's fine. And to produce those, it takes 60 screws per minute on each, and we have 3 of these. Okay, calculator time. Let's see. We've got 300, and then so we've got 60 times 3, which is 180. So 180 plus 300, we need 480 screws per minute. I'm guessing we're a bit short. A bit short.
On screws.
Yes.
Should we build a dedicated smart plate factory? God, how do you even build smart plates? Let me go at this recipe again.
You're just hiding the problem by not addressing the problem. Which is you don't want to create the proper screw factory. So I will work on that.
Oh, you don't have to make a screw factory. That's like early game stuff. We're so much cooler than that.
It's unfortunately it's never just early game because screws come back to bite you throughout this whole game and this whole process. So if you don't have it right to begin with, it's going to cause problems.
Did you notice?
So
did you notice
at least we have the iron ingot recipe for screws. So we're getting 50 per minute from iron ingots directly.
You could probably redo your recipe. If we have good copper nodes, you could put copper wire in, and you can do.
Well,
you could do that instead of screws. So you only need 52 screws for one smart plate. If you do,
well,
that's
we're
shaves off 12.
producing.
Is that good?
2, 3. 4.
If you do like
so
a
we're
20
producing.
wire. Sorry.
We're producing 200 screws per minute if the iron is keeping up, which I don't know if the iron ingots are keeping up. Doesn't look like it. And we said we needed 480, so I would need to at least double this, if not more. Okay. Now I'm starting to understand the problem and where I need to address it.
Yes, putting dressing where it is needed.
Putting lipstick on Pat's pig and trying to fix the issues. Okay. Because we were speeding to guns. That's the whole reason this started.
Totally worth it.
Okay. Says you. Yeah. Renovating an abandoned factory save. I've made smarter choices in my life at some point, and I don't think this is one of them, but we'll go with it. Okay, so we've got iron coming in, and of course, since this is the early game factory, everything is iron here. Everything is iron ingots, and everything is underpowered, because everything requires iron ingots. So where's the iron coming from? Alright, so I finally found the smelters. So our smelters produce 30 per minute at the moment. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 smelters at 30 per minute. 4 times 30, 120. So we're producing 120 ingots per minute. Do we have any better options? What do we have available to us? We have the miner MK2. Are we utilizing the MK2 or just the 1? Because if we're doing the 1, then we need to switch that to 2. Okay, we are MK1. So that can fix some of our issues.
That'll fix some of the issues.
The other question I have is, are we getting ore from one node only, or are we getting this iron from multiple places? So that's what I gotta figure out next. We have a merger, And everything's buried underground, so I have to figure out where it's all going. So that's going into the crate, and that's going upstairs. So at the moment, it looks like we're trying to power everything by one MK miner. No wonder we're screwed.
Oh, for the iron, right?
Well, everything takes iron.
Mm-hmm.
So our poor MK1 miner, we overclocked it at least. Okay. So it's producing I don't want to say, it's producing 75 iron per minute ore. And that's feeding this whole process. Is one pitiful little machine so far that I've found. Okay, well, let's start with upgrading this thing and see where that gets us. So I need,
Oh.
yeah.
Hey,
Yeah,
by
this is
the
gonna
way,
take a while. Oh, I need both of these portable miners. Thank you for leaving them on the ground for me.
you're welcome.
Um,
How do we get... Oh, yeah, we have to go
Here's-
back to the main base to get stuff, huh? Can I build, like, a second hub?
you can.
Oh, you
Okay,
can only build
so-
one. No, you can't. You lied to me.
So let's overclock this thing. Okay, so fully overclocked MK2 is only going on this node is going to give us 150 ore per minute. Okay, and now the next question I have is which belt? Okay, so we're using MK2 currently. So yeah, I'm just trying to touch up the lipstick right now.
Yeah, touch it up. Touch up that lipstick.
120 on an MK2, so I'm gonna have to upgrade. I'm gonna have to follow things and upgrade, so I guess I start poking holes in walls. Make things easier. Yeah, to make things easier. Okay. So I probably want to go with the MK4 if I can, which is the candy bars, which we have a candy bar factory. It would just mean a bunch back and forth to the candy bar factory.
Yeah, just a little bit.
I can do that. We'll start with that. So we'll get these up to MK4 standards, and then that way when I put more on, these will handle that. Let me turn on the flashlight because it's a bit dark in here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Right, upgrade that. Upgrade that, and now we need to poke another hole in the floor to see where that's going. And we want to upgrade the lift to be MK4s as well. Prettying this back up will be priority 2, not priority 1 right now. Okay. 4. Okay. I think this was your iron factory because I put you in charge of making screws and you were tired of making screws.
I hate making screws.
If I remember the conversation.
Yeah, screw that.
Kinda how it went.
Screws.
Yeah, and so you did the minimum, not even the minimum. Okay, well, I found another miner, so that should help things. Hopefully it's going to the same area. I'll figure that out in a minute. Okay, I need to build more stuff again. We've got wrong building station. That's fine. So what are you working on other than just swirling about? What is your goal?
My goal is to build a factory blueprint that we can use like we had before with 3 assemblers. That's basically what I'm working on. I'm gonna make it pretty.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus, I just can't line it up to the center of this thing. Oh no, that looks lined up. Okay. I'm having issues. with
everything's not
OCD.
lined up. I mean, that's a separate issue. We never decided what was going to be our grid of truth. I think the sorting facility is what our grid of truth should be based off of.
That's right. That is true.
But whether or not we've got that set up right, probably not.
The grid of truth. Tells me which way to go.
So, got another iron ore miner here. Got some more overclockers and soak up whatever power I can, even if it means detriment to our system for now. Okay. So another 150 per minute. Hopefully I can follow this and it's going to the same place, but I have a feeling it's not. So, holes in the wall again. Oh, it is going to the same place. Bravo.
Bravo.
Bravo. Okay, so that means we have 2 nodes of iron.
2
And
nodes.
150 apiece. So that's a good start. Maybe. Okay. So we're not utilizing it, but we have it available. So 150 times 2 is 300 ore per minute. And it takes 30 per smelter, so we take 300 and we divide that by 30. I need a total of 10 smelters to get the max production from these 2 miners. Okay. That's the goal.
Very nice.
10 smelters. And this is what you should have done, my friend. This is
Why
what you should
didn't I
have done.
do it?
Because you didn't want to make screws, you wanted to make guns.
Guns,
Or at least that's what you told me was your excuse.
Everybody would rather have guns.
2 or 3 walls between machines. Probably 2 to stack them. Is that the standard we want? 2 or 3 between floors for machines.
3. You know.
3.
Yeah.
3. All right, we'll go with 3. I can live with 3. That'll be our standard. 3 of everything. And then I need a foundation. Yeah, 3 gives us enough space for these machines at least. So that's fine by me.
Oh, don't tell me this doesn't line up.
A while.
Oh, it does. Finally.
Okay, so how many per floor? Okay, so we're doing 4 per floor. At the moment. And I said I needed 10. So 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. So I need 3 floors-ish of machines. 8, 12, 3 floors. Picking up the old math brains, which I'm not greatest maths out there, but I can do basic math sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes when you need to do it, you need to do it.
Yeah. And in this instance, I need to do it for my sanity's sake.
Sanity.
If we're going to progress with this save anyway.
We'll make it. I believe in us.
I have doubts.
I believe I can fly.
I have doubts.
I would like to know how to set a hotkey. Oh, never mind. I drag and drop this 2 here, right? No. Or do I hit 3 when I'm hovering over
Okay,
it?
so the logistics splitter. We would like the splitter, and we would like it to come out. Let's do it the other side. do I care about making this pretty? I do, but I also want to just make it functional. Well, pretty and functional, 14 monoliths dos.
Can you combine those words together in a cool way? Profunctional?
For functional, yeah. Pretty and functional. Alright, I knew I should have took over this project a long time ago, but I wanted you to learn how to play this game.
I did, and then I moved on with my life. Like, cool, I learned enough of this game to make it pretty somewhere else.
Yeah, you learned enough of this game to be dangerous and not do it the right way, so...
Dangerous!
I should have taught you better, and apparently I didn't, so... you needed more supervised learning that I could not provide, so...
Man. Did you just... I don't know. Did you just disrespect me?
Maybe. You have a problem with that?
Yes, I do. I think you should meet me in front of the saloon at high noon.
At high noon?
By the way,
okay.
can I get you... Can
In-game or real life?
Yeah, real life. Pistol's optional. Okay, question. When we have the factory, do you want... And we have the... Whatever the hell these are called. The splitters. Do we want them to come in, like, to input from the back or the side? Side, probably, right?
It depends. It's not a simple answer. Are you referring to the sorting system, or are you referring to a machine stack of some sort?
Talking about like a factory, you know, like a blueprint for the assembler. You have an assembler over here where it inputs into these little, whatever these are called, these splitters. It's inputting into the back, but then at the end, the mergers input to the side instead of to the back. So I was wondering if you just want them all to input from the sides, and we'll just do that instead of the back.
So the splitter has one input, and it outputs to 3 sides.
Yeah, but I'm saying like
so you have to chain them together, the splitters. The merger has one output and many inputs, so you have to chain those together in the proper direction.
Yes.
Doesn't answer your question, but
if you're facing it,
kind of
the merger is going to output to the left, and the input for the splitter is going to also be to the left. I'm just going to do both from the left. And then we'll just have to figure out a way to get, route that from the belts that goes in between all these factories. That's what I'm going to do for this blueprint version. I think we're good.
Well, it would be nice if I knew how to center things, because apparently I don't.
Oh, I thought it was easy. I was like, I remember how doing this, and then I started trying to center stuff, and I couldn't do it either. I gotta rotate this.
Well, I keep thinking I have this thing centered, and I don't. It's like, why is this so difficult?
Yeah, I had to look several times. I had to oh my god, I'm still not centered. Damn it. I'm trying to figure out what's the center of these little concrete pads. They should make a pattern that helps with that. That'd be nice.
They do. They have grid lines on the on them, and that's why it was off to me. Is like, why is this not working? Because I was off the grid on one dimension of 3D space.
God damn it!
So it's yeah, you have to
right now too.
Double check, but at least once you got the blueprint going, you don't have to worry about it anymore.
Tell me about it. I can't wait for that. Okay, here we go. Finally. I finally got it in the right spot. Let's go check this one.
I think I finally got mine too.
Oh, this one's in the wrong spot, I think. Yep. Damn it. This one's not even lined. That would bother me later. I'd be like, ah! It's not aligned. It's back in the line.
Yeah, that's what's bugging me right now.
That's why I wanted to have a blueprint machine that you could stand on with kind of like a raised section on the outside. I might make another one where I can stand and look over it in God mode.
Finally, after X amount of how long that took. That took way too long. Yeah. I don't want to admit how long that took.
It took, yeah, don't worry.
But somebody
There's no
will leave
judgment here.
maybe somebody will leave a comment of how much time that actually took.
Oh my god, I'm still having alignment problems.
Because I don't want to keep track. Yeah, I'm having some alignment issues myself here. Ah,
Yeah, it's just because like you're below it, you're not like looking at it. Oh, there we go. So now it's just I'm just hovering with the jetpack like a helicopter.
The dotted lines help, but not entirely for lining things up when you don't have the other building up there yet. Okay, I only need to get through 3 of these floors, so I will endure until I get this figured out.
Yeah, he's enduring until he figures it out.
Yes. Okay, so production, no, smelter. Not, okay, we want smelter. Let's see. It's gonna be its own nightmare. Okay. I've got the first one placed. Is it lined up? Of course the first one was not lined up. Why would the first one be lined up? Okay. That's better.
Customizer.
And... yeah, holding control is supposed to line these things up, but it doesn't always do what you expect. Anyways.
Yes.
Back to fixing this mess. Okay. Yeah. Whistling Dixie over there.
Yeah, I got like a... I don't know. A song.
I
Classical
always
song
worry
stuck in my head.
when
Oh,
I
yeah?
always worry when you are whistling because it usually means you're doing something nefarious that you shouldn't be doing. Or at least it used to.
Oh, yeah, it could be... This time it isn't, but most of the time it is. I'm gonna spend some tickets. Oh, I need some scaffolding.
Uh-oh.
I want catwalk. Oh, we already have catwalks. Oh, cool.
Yeah, feel free to spend the tickets. I don't really have anything that I want to spend them on at the moment, so...
I think we already have the catwalks. Like, I don't know why. I'm just gonna put some days down here. I'm gonna build the next blueprint. The ultimate blueprint area one of these days. Not here, though, because like, this is right next to the factory. I was planning on tearing this down afterwards.
Well, we're gonna have to tear things down at some point to fix this mess. I mean, we can just keep slabbing over the top of it, but that's just not even putting lipstick on a pig.
Well, I'm talking about like,
worse.
Putting a blueprint machine right next to this other thing, because I couldn't remember how to build it the way we used to build it.
Mm-hmm.
So it could be basically identical, but now it's like right in the way. You're gonna complain about it being in the way once you get over here.
Well, I've got enough things to complain about, and if I have to really start complaining, I'm gonna make you come over here and fix the screw factory.
Oh, I can't wait. I just love screws. So
yeah, just as much as you love trains.
I love trains. I like trains. There we go.
Okay, so how does this work below? Okay, so it needs to come in that side. So it's gotta go this way.
Oh, that's a cool swatch.
This way, that way, every which way. But the direction X way, X nay on the work A. Always makes me nervous when they're doing that.
Oh, don't be nervous. Oh crap! I wish I had undo, but I just painted something with the wrong swatch. So it's gonna be like that forever.
There's supposed to be some sort of undo with blueprints now. I know they added that in for when you place a blueprint and you want to pick it up or something. There's supposed to be some new undo system with that. So,
nice. Oh, you know what we could do?
How it works? No idea.
Oh, we'll figure it out one of these days. Cool, I think I have a little blueprint here ready to go. Oh, I am missing power now. I still have to do that. So let me do that real fast. And then we'll have something that we can use. We'll have a V1 of
and
something.
yes, I know these belts are overkill, but I'd rather overkill it right now and make sure that it's got
Oh my god.
max capacity
Jesus
than
Christ.
regret it later.
We have to look at these ugly belts later.
No, I'm just upgrading to MK4 early instead of having to do it later. Because if it's all MK4 right now, then I can utilize up to 480 per minute production, which I need to figure out if that's going to work with this anyway, is because we've got 30 per minute and I need 30 times 10 is 300, and the belt does 480. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this. Because I'm going to be producing 300 ingots per minute, and I needed to make sure that the capacity is there for what I'm doing. Yeah, that's what I'm going with.
Alright, alright, alright.
All right. Starting to look better over here already.
I'll take your word for it.
Ish.
Because
Yeah.
I can't see.
Well, you'll see in the edit.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna see later when I look at it.
Maybe I'll leave you some surprises.
Oh no.
Well, you've left me enough of them.
Oh yeah, I got so many surprises to leave for you.
Oh, only fair that I leave you some.
I do want to unlock lights. There's a way we could figure out how to unlock lights for my next blueprint crafting station.
There's always ways to unlock lights. Whether I'm going to tell you or not, that's up to you to figure out.
Yeah. I'm gonna set that up later to have some lights around it. You know, so that way at night you can still just hang around the blueprint machine and then have like some scaffolding around it so I can at least stand a little higher than, you know, underneath the stuff that I'm trying to look at to try to play stuff instead of having to like constantly hover with a jetpack.
Yeah, well, thankfully with my previous experience with Satisfactory, I know how to stack these machines now. So you zigzag them on the way up, and then you can stack more of them in a tower. There's ways to make it prettier, but functionality-wise, I can't really beat this method. So, alright.
Gotta have that feng shui. Feng shui. Feng shui.
Yeah, feng shui.
Feng shui.
Feng shui.
Feng shui.
Funk Factory?
Feng shui.
The Funky Factory?
I want glass.
Okay, which is quartz.
Yep.
Which I'm not sure we've unlocked all of the quartz technology yet.
I may have to build honeycomb. We actually have a lot of walls to choose from. I don't have to go with the glass. That takes steel though.
Yeah. Anytime I say, "Oh, we need to unlock that first," he's like, "Oh,
No, I guess
maybe
maybe we don't need that."
Yeah, if we don't need it.
Actually, I probably will go build a quartz factory and start stockpiling it. So I have like bring it over here to this place. That way we have it in a box for me to build with.
Maybe we don't have to go that way. It needs to be addressed. So if we're ever going to make any other progress.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we need the silica for drones. There's probably a reason why we need it.
We need silica and quartz at some point. Yes.
What the hell, dude? Seriously, these windows are not making sense, Andy. They did not snap to just now to the building.
Oh, I can't help you with that. I have my own issues with snapping.
The heck? Hopefully it's gonna... Yeah, there we go. It's gonna be a nice little factory. I tell you what.
Oh, fidgety.
Oh yeah?
So fidgety.
What is fidgety? The things? Oh, I'm already out of silica.
Getting things to snap to the right location that you want sometimes is a little fiddly.
Yeah. I would want to build this game, though. That must be really hard.
Why not? I mean, the AI is pretty straightforward. It's just figuring out the math of how to move items and animations and things.
Oh yeah, but there's a lot of that went into this game that I would never want to do. I'm glad they did it so I can just enjoy it. And the snapping would be insane to figure out. Where is this? There's supposed to be some quartz around here somewhere.
Yeah, the holographic snapping and belts and things. Yeah, I can see it taking a little while to figure out.
What? Where is this quartz? Am I standing on top of it? It just like disappeared. Oh, it's right this way. Oh yeah, if it's right here, that'd be really cool. Oh, it's up this cliff. Or it's inside a cave.
Or both. Could be both.
Let me see, maybe I can get down there if I open up this little hole. Just come down here and look.
Okay, so I said I needed 3, but that wasn't entirely what I needed. Because I wanted 10 of these, so 2 of them need to stay off.
Some crazy ass cave down here.
For this to work.
I hope I don't run into any
2
cats.
of them need to stay off. So I will hook them up, but I'm not going to set the recipe on those 2 because we need. Because I have 12 here and I only need 10 to complete what I'm doing, if that's right. Because 10 times 30 is 300.
Why? Can I interrupt you for a second?
Yes.
Can you tell me how to change my cassette tape in my boombox?
Press R.
Oh, that's nice.
When you got and then change tape, and then you can hit play on whatever tape you choose.
Awesome, thank you. I played Deep Rock Galactic.
Yeah, there's lots of good soundtracks in the cassette tapes. I like the regular music too, though. Okay. So, it looks like we're coming up on the end of this episode.
Oh, wow. It's too much fun to stop.
We've got another 3 minutes, so we'll go for a little bit longer. But,
oh, there's cats here.
Oh, you mean spiders or cats?
Cats.
How do you have it configured?
Yeah, I have it.
Nice.
I have it looking like cats.
You have it set to the arachnophobia mode. Yeah, I have the spiders on at the moment. So
I like that the creatures can be silly.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back.
Okay, so we're producing 300 ingots per minute. I'm not quite done, so I'm gonna finish this up, and then that'll probably be it for me on this episode.
Yeah.
So,
I don't know if you want to record another episode right after this.
maybe. We'll see.
Maybe a bio
I mean,
break.
it's real easy to burn out.
But yeah. I didn't finish finding my quartz. There's so many things I need to do.
Keep playing. So many other things you're avoiding that you want to just keep doing this. Got it.
Well, I have to get the silicone. Like I'm starting to squirrel, and I need this. I need this silicone to build the glass, to build the blueprint, so we can have a nice blueprint that's has glass. That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
I don't think this is here. The quartz. I think it's not inside the cave. But this cave could be great for trains. I feel like the trains are the way to go. If we want to keep doing trains, we're gonna have to go through the caves.
Well, trains through caves might be one option at some point.
Yeah, I think that could work pretty well.
Okay, so merger is what I need, and then we'll be producing. You know, it really wasn't that difficult to do this. I don't know what your complaining was about all this screws and trying to make it balanced.
Well, just wait till I come to extract some more screws and throw it off balance. Just wait. I'll throw a monkey wrench into the thing.
You always do.
Oh, I found another cave. Oh, there's a big cat over here. Just stay over there. Just stay over there. It's a calico cat.
But I thought you wanted things to shoot.
I forgot about that.
Now you're complaining that you have things to shoot.
Oh, it's great. I'm not shooting it yet. I'm just saving it for later. I think it would be kind of funny to preserve them so that way people accidentally find them. Oh, let me get up there. Oh, it's gonna hurt. Oh, you might have to come revive me. Oh, I'm fine. I'm alive still. I'm good. All right.
That means I have to fight the cats.
Oh no, I'm not fighting the cats.
That'll be another.
Yeah.
The spiders.
Oh yeah, the spiders. I'm not fighting them.
But that would have to be another episode of will I revive him or will I not? Will I make him just live with his choices? And have to do a corpse run.
Well, right now I'm trying to get up the cliff here, just to try to get up to the quartz because I'm too lazy to. I don't know. Too lazy to do something else. Oh, what? Come on, I was totally on there. That's stupid.
Okay. Alright, so we've got 300 iron bars per minute now, at least on this part of the factory.
Very nice.
So now I've got to poke another hole and see where that goes and start upgrading more stuff. Yeah. Because just because I put it there doesn't mean it's right where it's going.
Oh, nice. I'm rock climbing right now. Clipping through the mountain. Oh, let me get up there. Oh, no. That's gonna hurt. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Well, I think that concludes this episode. Yeah, I'm dead forever.